Hello everyone, this is Data Dawn. I'm here to explain ETL in 5 minutes, which is extract transform. ETL stands for extract transformation and load. As you can see, it's a concept which is used by the industry for many years ago. It's a concept to extract the data from source systems and do necessary transformation and then load it into target system. So that's what ETL is all about. As you can see in this picture, it's basically we extract the data from source system for various reasons. Maybe we want to consolidate the data or move the data from one system to another. So for those systems, we need to use the ETL concept. So basically, the extract part, we use various tools to extract the data. Like we can read the flat file. It can be pull or push. Pull is basically connecting to the source database and pulling the data, or push is basically the source system will push the data as a flat file to our ETL server. And transform involves like various logic, which is basically used to implement the business logic. It's like cleansing the data. Cleansing the data is nothing but making the data to confer the standards used by the business. We can apply the business rule. We can aggregate the data. Aggregation is basically summing up the sales data, summing up the sales data, or summing up the internal inventory, etc. Consolidate the data. Consolidation is basically we pull the data from various sources, so we just consolidate it together and then load into the data warehouse. And denormalize is basically used for reporting purposes. Okay, loading part comes to load into a decision support system, which is basically a data warehouse. It may be either a traditional symmetrically multiprocess system database like Oracle, SQL Server, etc., or an appliance like Teradata or Netissa is also possible. So that's where the loading. So that is all that ETL stands for. Um, So when it comes to ETL tools, this ETL is achieved in two ways. One is like traditional programming language ETL. So ETL can be done in any language which supports database connectivities and file read operations. Like you can do ETL in C program or ProC. ProC has been used traditional ETL language, and you can do ETL in Visual Basic, C, any language which supports database connectivity and file operations. We can use the ETL, but nobody, most of the people, they won't use the traditional programming language ETL. They all use ETL tools like Informatica. There are like variety of tools in the market like Informatica, DataStage, Ab initio, Hummingbird, open source. Hummingbird is an open source ETL tool. Why people go for ETL tool is it is very easy to manage. It is very easy to understand. Okay, compared to traditional programming languages. For example, if you have like 2000 ETL components, going through like 2000 ETL code, ProC code is like very cumbersome compared to ETL jobs like Informatica Data Stage, which offers you a specialized GUI with which you can do the analysis, changes, maintenance is very easy. So that's why people go for ETL tools rather than traditional programming languages. So ETL tools, the leaders in the market are IBM Data Stage, Informatica, and Ab initio. Um, so ETL is like a one important component of BI, business intelligence. Business intelligence is basically um, it's a separate concept, and ETL is like one of the main leg in achieving the business intelligence. And ETL is for loading millions and millions of records. Basically, it is not just for loading one or two records, which can be achieved by insert statement. ETL is basically the process like millions and millions of records. So we also have a concept of partitioning, where we just partition the program. We run multiple programs to pick up the source data and multiple programs to load this target data, with which we can achieve the speed. So we can just load million records in like 10 or 20 minutes. So that is called partitioning. that is also one of the concepts of ETL. Thank you, friends. I hope this is very informative. I'll see you again soon in other videos. Thanks. Bye.